The second logic set we offer under the function section is the either or function. Now, though if mastered, if then else can replicate anything either or function can do. You can use if then else for every single logic scenario we would ever create inside PractiCAD. However, the either or function is very easy to use and can be handy if we run into a situation where we're only going to have two possible outcomes, either and or. For example, if we'd like to create one tag which either will represent width by depth of rectangular duct or the diameter of round duct, we can use this function to create a quick, simple if-then scenario, either or. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the ampersand to enter it into the expression field. Either or works, we make one statement or we say to represent one value, then we put a comma, and then we put what we want to see if the first value or first statement doesn't exist. For example, we're just going to simply say that we'd like to see first within. We're going to choose the property within and hit the ampersand. Then we're going to hit the little plus key because we want to combine property with text. So we're going to say show the property within plus we want to see the little X for text. So now we're going to put it in the text field and we're going to hit the ampersand. Then we're going to hit the plus key again because we're going to combine text with property. And now we're going to hit D for depth and we're going to say depth in. And we're going to hit the ampersand to enter that into expression. So the first part of our expression is going to be show within plus the X plus the value of depth in. Now we're going to put a comma. And basically what's going to happen is if that expression exists or these values exist on the entity we click this tag on, it's going to show these values. However, if they don't exist, we're going to put what we want to see. So we're going to say if that doesn't exist, we want to see diameter in. We're going to choose the property diameter in. And now we're going to hit the ampersand. And then we're going to hit the plus key. And we're going to combine it with text of the quotes to represent inches. So what we're going to see here is either the width in by the depth in, comma, or the diameter in plus the inches symbol. So it's either or. And this expression stops here. It can only be used for either one thing or the other. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to choose the format decimal and we're going to choose the precision 0. And we're going to save this tag and we're going to exit out. And now we've got a piece of rectangular duct on the drawing and a piece of round duct. And we're going to grab this tag and we're going to choose the PCAD test tag. We're going to click on the rectangular duct and notice that it shows 36 by 18. That's because it was either that or diameter. Diameter doesn't exist. However, if we click on the round duct, because the width and depth in do not exist, it's going to jump to the or section of this tag. And what it's going to do is show us the diameter. So we've created one tag that if we click on one duct, shows one thing. If we clicked on another duct, it shows another. So we can utilize the either or function whenever we know it's going to be either one of two choices.